Want to host a Minecraft server? Here's port forwarding, step by step. Open your Minecraft server folder and locate server.properties. Find server port, usually 25565, and write it down. Get your local IP from IP protocol configuration or network settings. Log into your router's admin page using the gateway IP. Go to port forwarding or virtual server in the settings. Add a rule named Minecraft, protocol TCP and UDP, port 25565, target your local IP. Save and enable the rule, allow time for the router to apply changes. Open your firewall and add inbound rules for TCP and UDP on port 25565. Start the server and test connecting to localhost or your local IP. Check your public IP and have an external friend connect to public IP:25565. If the connection succeeds, your server is live. If not, recheck IPs, ports, and firewall rules.